everyone, it's Emily with Elephant Shoe Corner. Today I'm making a card using the Simon Says stamp Look for the Rainbow stamp set that was in the September card kit and some Tim Holtz Distress Oxide Inks. The cardstock that I'm using is 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and I use my iCraft purple tape to tape that off at 1 1/4. And I use my glass mat so I can make sure that I tape that straight across. And I started out with the purple that you see blending here is the Seedless preserves. And I go about halfway across the cardstock, and then I'm going to blend from the other side this blue color, and that's Mermaid Lagoon. And you can see I really wanted it to be a rich color, so I layered that up quite a bit, and then I blend in the center between the purple and the blue. I get a nice blend in the middle. And I wanted it to be rainbow colors, so at the top I have purple and blue, and then the next section I do will be a yellow and green. So I'm going to take off my tape and I'm going to retape it going the other direction. So I'm covering up what I just did because I don't want to get any of my yellow or green on the blue and purple. So I'm taping that again at 1 1/4, but going the other direction. And then here I started putting my green on, and I got that started and realized I did not tape the bottom part, so I needed to get that taped before I continued any further to make sure I didn't get green on the bottom part of the cardstock, because I'm going to be doing red and orange on the bottom. So I need to tape that off. And now I'm blending my green, which is Twisted Citron. And then I'm going to move on to yellow, which is Squeezed Lemonade. I'm going to come from the other direction. And then I'm blending that in the middle where they meet. I'm going to remove my tape, and you can see the nice clean line. I'm going to retape that again. And again, I'm taping in sections of 1 1/4. So now the bottom portion is going to be red and orange. The orange is Spiced Marmalade. And again, I want it to be a nice rich color, so I do several layers of it to get it to the color I wanted. And I do that about halfway through. And then I switch over to red, which is the Festive Berries. I do have a microfiber cloth sitting next to me that I'm cleaning off my brushes in between colors. And I do have a few different brushes that I use for different sets of colors, like my dark colors, the blue and purple. I have a separate brush than I do for my yellow and light green. This just helps so I don't contaminate my colors. I obviously don't want my blue and purple in my yellow. And I took my tape off, and there you see it. Then I quick clean my workstation. And now I'm going to put a stamp in the middle in that yellow and green section using my Memento Tuxedo black ink. It's the Look for the Rainbow stamp from the Look for the Rainbow stamp set. And there, I love how that looks. I was very happy with this one. And then I'm going to put it on a card base. And this is a standard A2 card base, so it's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 inches. And then it's scored at 4 1/4. And I'm using my advanced tape glider to tape the back of the layer that we just created. And I'm going to center that on the card base so it gives it a nice white layer around the edge. So there's the card. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you can find the product links in the description below. Please like, this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I hope you like the card.